Hello, my name's Capel, and today I'll be talking about my website that I've designed for Kanye West. As you can see, here is my homepage. We have the Twitter feed to the left here. Shows all of Kanye's tweets that he's posted. This means that the users can get up-to-date information and news about him. Also, another feature that I've implemented is the video here for the new song All Day. This has just been taken straight from YouTube as the embed code, and I can show you this on Dreamweaver. As you can see, here is the video, and the highlighted code is just literally the embed code, and you can see youtube.com here as well. Here is also the Twitter feed, which appears as a hyperlink on Dreamweaver, and here's the code. It says tweets by @KanyeWest. As we go back to my website, we also see that below we have this symbol. This is the All Day symbol that Kanye has created. If you click on that, it will link us directly to his Google Play store, where you can buy the song for 99p. If you go back, also the video does play. So there it is here, and I've also got some album art that I've included here. The banner and everything works as it should. These are just simple rollover buttons, which I can show you here. The banner's been split up into different sections, which allowed me to have two different images here, one for the rollover feature, which I've included, and I've called it Home Rollover 1. Also, if we go back to the home page, we also have all these different pages up here. I'm going to show you the pictures page now. This is simple with an added background here, just to create more colour on the images, still in keeping with the black and white though. You've got the pictures of Kanye here, one picture for tour images, one picture for merchandise images, and one picture for album art. These are all hotspots that I've created. If you click on tour images, it'll direct you to all of his tour pictures here, which the users can maybe download and use as a home screen. So to go back, we can just click back on the pictures page. As you can see on the Dreamweaver design, all the areas in blue are the hotspots that I've included. The links at the bottom here, tourpictures.html. Also the code for it's all here as well. We can now go on to the dates page. This just simply is a picture that I created in Photoshop of Kanye on one of his tours. This was a separate picture here which I kind of blended in. And it's got all the text for his May tour. It's got the first tour in London, England, O2 Arena, on the 2nd of May Birmingham, Barclaycard Arena, 3rd is in Liverpool at the Echo Arena, and the 5th is in Manchester at the Manchester Arena. I've done it this way because it's simple to understand, and that if when the tours do get updated, all the website designer would have to do is just put a new poster up. I'm now going to go onto my movie page, and I have the animation playing here with sound, the animation which I've designed myself. Also, once the animation finishes, which we can come back to here, there's a replay button, so the user can choose to replay the animation. And also there's a trailer for the movie here, which the user can click on. I'll just mute the sound. The user can click on here, and it will just bring them straight to the YouTube page. This is just the trailer for his new Yeezus movie, which is coming out. If we click on the Movies tab in Dreamweaver, we can see how I've implemented my animation. As here is all the code for it. To do this, I've had to save my animation in the same folder that my websites are in, and it's just calling it. As you can see, the value of it is new Kanye animation. It's a shockwave file, so you can just call it easily. And I've kept the aspect ratio the same, so it doesn't look like it's stretched out or squashed or anything. As we go back to the movies page, we can just simply check the shop out now as well. Here I've got all the pictures, all the Kanye merchandise that's currently available. I do have his when he uses a rollover function. So as you can see, the pictures are the same, but I've just added text in Photoshop, so when the user hovers over it, they can see the name of the merchandise, the price, and the stock checker as well. Same here, in stock, coming soon, and also the shirts in stock as well. This is really simple to do. I just added rollover buttons in Dreamweaver. We can also add it to the cart, as you can see here. As you can see, it's added the Nike Air Yeezy 2, quantity 1, price £250. To do this, I've written this code here, highlighted it all here. I've also had to change the variables, so this would have a different merchant ID number 1, merchant ID number 2, but this has had to be done, otherwise the basket will get confused as to which product. So if it was both merchant ID 1, it'd think that all the products are the same. I've also had to change different things, like if we have the tax, the currency code, which I've done is GBP, which is pounds, British pounds. Go back onto the site. We can update the cart and continue shopping. We can also view the cart now. It's empty. As we continue here, as you can see, I have the view cart button. I'll show the code that I've written for that now. Here's the view cart code here. As you can see, it links to the Google Merchant for the business, JavaScript return here, and it links to a false email address as well, because obviously no one's really going to buy it, but this is just where it gets the picture for the shopping cart art. This is all the JavaScript that I've included in the code here, and that's for my shopping cart. I can now show you the meta tags that I've included. Here are the meta tags that I've included here. It says Kanye West Yeezus an album. This means when someone types it into like a search engine like Google, it'll just show up. Well, the more meta tags you have, the better chance you do, the better chance you get of your website showing up anyway. And I think that's everything. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.